yet. Trying to get the knots out.
What do you want?
A brush.
Oh, and then they started news
Hello.
flares or whatever off.
Is your hair clean? Do you have bugs? Any type of
I'm
cooties?
sure that was the place trying to
Normally, you're not supposed to share brushes. You know that.
But
You know that, right? Ever.
But
Mom,
That's
she's
one of
sharing
those.
my brush.
Well, because I know her hair's clean, but normally you don't share brushes.
I don't want anybody using my brush.
We're making an exception after the now the hair's all over Rick's back. That was one thing my mother drummed into my head. You never use anybody else's makeup.
There's only one thing your mother jumps into your head?
Mom, how can you sell my allowed your eye makeup?
Because it's not sanitary.
But my
Not
mom,
with my eyes.
my
No,
mom,
I'll say no reason. That's okay. You're my daughter. It's a little bit.
Donna, do you
I
ever do
remember
those
this
braids
girl.
that you like tuck under? They're like
Oh, Carol, it's been a long time since I've done like any of this stuff. There's all got like little sticky things.
Her dating habits and stuff were like not working. So I remember
my hair
to
was
me and she
fine.
goes, I had this
Come on,
like
stop.
compact. Go, no.
I wish I could let mine grow out. I just can't.
That's what. That's a shame. And she
without
looked at me
that.
like, I can't believe you
Can
did
you
now.
let your hair grow? Can you let your hair grow?
My hair will not grow past my shoulders, Carol.
talk to the
Hairbrush.
camp owner. He
Just
said
won't.
you have a half an hour to leave. You're making much
Keep
too
it
much
like,
noise
how
here.
come that one time you dyed your hair like
Must have been the James Taylor.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Remember Craig Levy and the Wet House Boys, or what were those boys' names?
The Wiener Boys.
Wiener Boys. I knew it was something with a W.
They played the
Craig Levy and
Woodbine,
the Wiener
right?
Boys? Craig and the Wiener Boys.
so
They sang Fire
I
and
don't
Rain.
know. I think he drank it all.
You know that wasn't the name of the group, right? That was actually their name.
I didn't
Wiener Boys was
Hi, sweetheart.
Yeah.
The Diet Coke commercial?
Well, we'll be home in our comfy bed instead.
It was freezing. My hand. Be pretty guys, like so good. Jake is like, wow, how do you do that?
Do what?
That. Did you smash that camera?
Up right on the ground. Arm's got a little numb.
Arms
Arm's got a little numb.
I'm sorry.
No, no, no.
I was sleeping on my
Don't waste.
What do you want? Yes. Oh, you can open your eyes. Let's go!
I think everybody left over.
Come on, Austin, mommy's fishing.
Hey! Oh! Let's go!
Is that it? Aren't they on the ground?
Let's go, Austin! Dun, 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 dun.
Guys,
That is not ours. Please do not touch.
that's why I didn't want you doing it right there by the edge.
You got my shoe.
No.
Whoa, neat.
You alright? Alright, hang on 1 second, Ross. Let's do one thing at a time, alright?
Wow. Wow. Hi, guys. I told you my shortcut before. I thought it was the wrong way. Because we were supposed to.
That's okay. You were right the way you
There's the worms. We only have a couple of rods, guys, so we all have to share, alright?
I'm going to share with Ross.
Don't touch worms.
Wait. We're
Just
gonna
let
cut.
me get your stuff together.
Yes, we have real ones. You like real ones?
No, I like crawl.
Yep, they crawl.
I
No, don't take the
Out
fake
of the
ones.
way.
They crawl.
We're just
They crawl over you.
guys, go get Brittany and tell her
They crawl
that I'm here.
over